Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this cool tone look. I got a new palette for my birthday from a good friend of mine, and I thought I would try it out. It's got some really beautiful cool tones in it, so if you guys like cool tone looks and want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright, so we're going to get started on this look that I'm going to do with this Milani Soft and Sultry palette. This was a palette that my friend Holly got me for my birthday. As you can see, it's all cool tone colors and some neutrals, and there's some shimmers and some mattes. So I'm going to play with this palette today and see what kind of look I can get out of it. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my skin, and I'm going to use this Cover FX blurring primer. You guys have seen me use this before. And so let's just do this. Just put a little bit on my fingertip. It's probably a little too much, but we're going to roll with it. Alright, the foundation I'm going to be using today is this L'Oreal Infallible. I was going to buy some new foundations, but I have not done it yet. So just put a little bit on the back of my hand. Or a lot. Alright, just tap a little on my brush. And then I just dot it all over. And then once I've got it kind of everywhere, just start swirling it to melt it into the skin a little bit. Gotta go down this neck. Claude Jesus, look how pale I am. Who don't get a tan in the summer? Christy don't get a tan in the summer. Now I'm going to take these Tarte Shape Tape concealers and do a little under eye work here, because they look a little sketch. I'm looking super tired. I only got like 4 hours of sleep last night. No reason. You know, yesterday was Sunday, today's Labor Day, so I don't have to work. Do a little work around the house, a little laundry all caught up. The day I was supposed to sleep in, didn't get to. That's okay. That'll probably make it a lot easier for me to go to bed tonight, and I have to get up early in the morning. Surprisingly enough, even though I only got 4 hours of sleep, I got quite a bit more energy than I have here lately. I've actually been really sick the past few weeks. That's why I haven't been here. Which you guys will probably see in my... I'm actually going to upload my August BoxyCharm, even though it's September. But I know a lot of people probably want to see those videos. And by a lot, I mean my 39 subscribers. Hey, y'all. But yeah, I think a lot of y'all really like the BoxyCharm stuff, because I get asked about it a lot, whether it's, you know, worth the money. And of course, everybody I've talked to, you know, it's worth the money. If you got $21 extra to spare a month, you should go for it. I zoomed out just a little bit because it felt like it was too close and it just wasn't looking right. Okay, so I've got my foundation on. Now I'm going to put a little powder to set it. Woo! I'm using this Airspun, same stuff I always use, which doesn't mean I won't try new things. I just haven't ordered anything. I kind of have to be careful because I've been out of work a lot or I've been sick, so I may try a different kind when I go get some, just because I like to try new stuff every once in a while. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Milani Soft and Sultry, this cool tone palette. I'm going to take this first shade here, which is called Bare It All. I'm going to put that in my crease. This first color is almost the exact color of my eyelids, so it's not really showing up on camera hardly at all. And of course, I'm blocking you out. You can't even see what I'm doing. Alright. Okay, now I'm going to go down to this middle color, which is a little bit darker, and it is called Soft Touch. So, and I'm also going to put that in the crease. I'm using the same brush. Now I'm going to take this color here all the way over. Ooh, I see myself. And that color is Foxy Lady. Take the smaller blending brush. I'm going to start right here on the outer edge here, and just kind of go in circular motions. This color is actually a lot darker than I thought it would be. And this brush is clean. Doesn't have any other colors on it, so I'm kind of surprised. That's good though. I want a little pigmentation. Alright, so is anybody else excited for fall? Because I am ready. It's my favorite time of the year. August through December, New Year's Eve, is my favorite time of the year. August, not because of the heat, but it's my birthday month. I'm a Leo. Hey. Born on August 11th. Y'all don't even know the year. But I'm so ready for like the crisp, cool nights and the fall decoration, the leaves changing, Halloween. I'm just so ready for it. I live for this time of year. How do y'all feel about it? Leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment below and tell me what your favorite season is and why, because I love to know that. Did y'all hear that? My stepson is like behind me in his bedroom with just this closet separating us, and he's playing some kind of game and randomly screaming. You hear something? That's what it is. He just got excited. I don't know what just happened, but I'm going to take this even smaller blending brush. It's a Morphe M506. You see that? It's just a little bit smaller, more tapered. This one is called Sweeter Than Chocolate. Look how pretty that is. It's got just a little bit of a satin kind of finish. I'm going to get real close up to bottom lash, or my lash line and my outer V. I'm just kind of smoke that out a little bit. It's giving me a hard time. Oh, maybe it's not. Here we go. Maybe I just had to get through that little top. Sometimes when you buy or get a new palette and the color payoff's not good or the swatch isn't that good, sometimes you have to get through that first little top layer and then it works. I keep getting it under my eye, so I'm going to take some of this powder and just put a layer of powder under there. So if I do have fallout, it'll catch it a little bit, so it won't be so hard to wipe away. Okay, so I think the outer corner and the crease looks really good. So now I'm going to take this color here, which is the one I've been dying to use. It's like this beautiful silvery, cool tone, purplish gray. It's not really showing up on camera. Normally shimmers I like to spray like MAC Fix Plus on or something to make it wet so that it goes on a little brighter. But I'm going to try this color dry just to see how it goes on first. And see what the color payoff is. Oh, wow. Okay. I like it. It's not really showing up on camera, but it does have a nice sparkle to it. So I'm going to dip my brush in a little bit more. And then I am going to take my MAC Fix Plus and just a skit. You gotta make that sound when you do it too. And then I just pat it on. Oh yeah, that looks so good. This is pretty. I really like this palette a lot. There's a lot of pretty colors in there. Like this pretty mauve color, and then there's like a bronzy brown. And then this one I use for my outer color, and then it's got these matte shades. I may use some of these underneath my eyes. I'm going to take a brush and just kind of swoop that powder away and do the rest of my face, and then I'll come back and do my under eyes. Oh yeah, sitting here looking for it. Okay, so I'm going to contour my cheekbones just a little bit. I'm going to use this Tarte, this middle color here. Let's see, the name of it is Desert, and it's in the Tarte Clay Play palette that I use I use this palette almost every day, whether it's for the eyeshadows or this. And I usually use this shadow to do my eyebrows. And if you've been watching my videos, you already know that, so I don't know why I'm repeating myself. Whatever. I'm all over the place. Where is my contour? Okay, don't do that. No. No. Actually, before I contour, I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm using this Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. It is in the light bronzer. I'm just going to take this big, fluffy Real Techniques brush that is so old that the name has even come off of it. So I just dip my brush in there. I don't know if you've tried this bronzer. It smells like coconut. And I am down with some coconut. And it just, this bronzer goes on so even and so nice. I don't like to put a whole lot of bronzer on the center of my face. I'd rather put it on the outside to kind of slim it up a little bit. But, of course, I always, you know, go in on my nose just a little bit, because I don't want a big bronze ring around my face. Okay, now I'm ready for the contour. And like I said before, I'm going to use this Tarte. And this stuff is so pigmented. So, and I have a tendency of going ham. So we gonna beat that brush. It's gonna be a new song. Alright, now just go into the hollow of my cheekbones. Can't really see my cheekbones because I'm a little chunky, but whatever. And then I'll kind of go up the temple just a little bit, just to kind of give it that definition there. Okay, so I've got my contour on. Now I'm going to do a little blush. Since this is a cool tone look, I definitely don't want to do a really loud looking blush. So I'm going to pick up this, of course, my favorites, the Milani Luminoso 05. You can get these at Walmart. One of these days I'm going to look some stuff up for you, but not today. I'm going to take this crown brush. It's the one I always use for blush. And just, I've hit pan on this. I'm about to buy some more. Okay, now I got my blush on. I'm also going to do a little, I'm not big into highlighting. I know a lot of people are like, oh my God. It's not my thing. Sometimes I'll do it. It's just, like I said, it's not my favorite. But I think I am going to put a little highlight just on the top of, you know, where my blush is here. And I'm going to use this Tarteist Pro Glow. And let's see. It is in the color Exposed. And it's liquid. So I'm just going to put just a little bit on my ring finger. Not too much. Put your excited self. And then I'm just going to dot on both sides. If you use a sponge, kind of blend it out. It looks like it's melted kind of into your skin a little bit more than just sitting on top of it. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Got my brows on. For my brows, I just use eyeshadow because, like I've said so many times before, I just haven't bought any new makeup products lately. You know, I was really sick. I was out of work for a while. I'm still not 100%, so I just don't think it's a good time to buy new stuff when I still have plenty of stuff that I can work with to pull a look together. I'm going to take this color here that I used in the outer V, which is, gosh, sweeter than chocolate. I can't remember anything. I'm just going to take it on this little weird angled brush. I got this for Christmas one year. And I start in the middle of the eye and just drag it out. You can do this with any kind of angled brush that you may have. See, it creates like an eyeliner effect without having to really use eyeliner. And no, I don't have anything against eyeliner. It's just, this is just easier. Okay, now that I've got that darker shade laid down, I'm going to go back in with this softer brown here. And let's see, I think it is called Smoking Hot. I'm just going to take a smallest blending brush I've got, or one of them, and just go in and buff that out. Okay, now I'm going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to take this really old Echo Tools brush. Came in a pack. Look how little. Just a little tiny brush. I'm going to dip it in that shade Diamonds and Pearls, which is this middle shade there. Okay, so now that eyes are done, I'm going to do a little mascara. I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation. This is pretty decent mascara, actually. Maybelline usually does not disappoint when it comes to mascaras. Okay, so eyes are done, face is done. Only thing left to do is lips. And I think today I'm going to use just a Maybelline lipstick, because this lipstick by Maybelline is actually a really good cool tone. It's part of their metallics. It's called Silk Stone. It's number 974. It's kind of got a purplish, it kind of really matches the eyeshadow look I've got going on. So just going in. I'm not even using a lip liner. It's okay. You don't always have to use a lip liner to look good. So it's very cool toned. Let's see. I'm also going to put a gloss on top. This is Tarte. It's called Park Avenue Princess. Shimmery beige kind of color. It does have gold flecks in it. That gave it an extra little pop of sheen on there. I'm going to put a little bit of this Master Fix by Maybelline on. And it's just a setting, perfecting loose powder. It's super, super milled, so it's real fine. I'm just going to take this on a big kabuki brush. Tap off most of it. And I'm just going to put it kind of where my pores get crazy. Probably should have done this before the lipstick, but kind of forgot about it. Okay. I'm going to use this Tarte Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. Shake it up a little bit. Shake, shake, shake. Alright. Ooh, something got my mouth. Smells good, does not taste good. I'm okay. So anyway, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoy it. It's another cool tone look. But I got this palette for my birthday from one of my closest friends. I've already got it dirty. I beat the heck out of everything. But it's the Milani Soft and Sultry. I'm trying to, of course it's showing everything because it's like a mirror, but you can get these at Walmart if you're into cool tone looks. There you go. Alright everybody, that is going to do it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this button, hit the thumbs up down below and subscribe if you haven't already. There's also a little bell that will notify you if you click on that every time I upload. And, you know, like I said, comment below and let me know what your favorite time of year is and why. And that's going to do it for me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.